This is it. The wings are going on. Have you ever wondered how artists create their art forms? If you're up for it, I'll take you with me through my artistic process from beginning to end of projects with my Looking into the Light series. Sparking that light of inspiration and creativity inside of you is possible when you open to it. Join me in handcrafting an extraordinary life by joyfully creating with the light. I'm Jay Stargaard, international artist and owner of Stargaard Art. This sculpture has been a joy to work on and a place that has expanded my container to fly free in the creative process. My hope for you is that you know that it's not the tools or the platform you choose to express your creativity in, because it can happen anywhere, anytime. The magic is found in how you choose to be while you are creating. Grateful, blessed, curious, and excited about what's coming while I'm appreciating the present moment is my portal. This sculpture has helped me balance the components like work and family, but most importantly, it's strengthened me to have faith in my creative process. It feels amazing. It feels... the hair on the back of my neck is standing up. I was feeling a whole lot of stress about whether this system was going to be able to hold, and when it get hot because it was copper, if it would melt and bend over time because of the weight of the wings, because they're so heavy, blah, 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 blah. All that stuff is going on. And I'm so grateful for that inspiration. The stainless steel piece in, because it makes a whole lot of sense now that I see it. It makes a whole lot of sense. I was just going on blind faith to do it because I heard it, but it really does make a whole lot of sense to me now that I see it. So this is super exciting. Now I just gotta seal them up and polish and whoop whoop. So exciting. So this is what I do. I weld copper and bronze and stainless together. And this is where it takes the patience. Three kinds of metal, 5 thicknesses. I live for this stuff. All right, one side down. Second one to go. I have about a 3/4 of an inch hole to fix. Do you hear that? I stopped work because I heard that. I'm just doing my final polishing and a hawk comes in. That's amazing celebration. Oh, so cool. A red house finch came flying in here and was sitting right up there. That's so cool. The house finches are right there, and that is so cool because I've been working so solid on this piece that those little finches are all about happiness and joy in preparing for the home. And so as I complete this piece, then I get to go do a whole lot of things in the house that I haven't done for weeks and weeks because I've been working here. So I get to do my own little nesting thing as these guys are preparing to make their nests for making their babies and stuff. So that's super fun. I hope you guys are doing something creative, anything, because it allows new opportunities to come into your life. When you do things differently, you know, it's super cool. And do something fun because that's the pathway of the divine. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Jay Stargaard out. Mwah.